and it's the #1 thing in the world that you can sell right now, which is education. Meaning, teach people how to make money online like you, and they will pay you a lot of money, and you can make a fortune. That's exactly what I'm going to teach you right now. So keep watching. I got a lot of great stuff. I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 every single week, every single day, every single month, whatever you want to do, depending on how motivated you are. And it comes down to one simple word: marketing. I'm going to go to the ocean right now. Keep watching. I'm going to show you exactly what this ocean looks like. It's beautiful in the Caribbean. And then I'll show you how to make some money. Keep watching. Here we go. Another thing I show people how to do is, if you want to, especially older people in your 50s or 60s, if you've got a lot of money like me in your 401k or IRA, how to invest that money and make 20, 25, 30% or more on your money selling products online and also in real estate. But also when you live in the Caribbean, you can buy excellent clothing like this from Mexico. Check out all this stuff. Amazing shorts, different colors, shirts, everything is very cheap. They say in Spanish, mucho barato, it's very cheap. And you can live here very cheaply. So let me give an example, and if you're interested, just comment below. Send me your name, your mobile number, your country code, your email. I can teach people how to do this. Take whatever you're doing right now. I used to have a monthly budget with my wife and kids. About 6 or 7 years ago, my bills were $15,000 a month before I could put food in my mouth. Let me say that one more time. My bills were $15,000 a month before I could eat. I had to pay my mortgages on my properties, my houses, my cars. I had a BMW, Mercedes, Range Rover, Hummer. I had a Ferrari. I had everything. I had a Harley Davidson motorcycle. I had stuff for the kids. I had crazy bills. And I got rid of all that shit, and I minimized my life. And now, listen to this, I live on $700 a month. Let me say that one more time. $700 a month, that's what I live on, and I make $700 an hour. Are you interested? Smash the like button. Smash that like button. Smash the like button. Okay, so we're on famous Fifth Avenue here in the Caribbean, Playa del Carmen. There are some people on the streets. Everything is open. Everything is open, and people are trying to sell you everything. Everything. They're selling you souvenirs, shirts, hats, glasses, and even drugs. Marijuana, cocaine, girls, women, everything. They're trying to sell anything and everything they can. Now right here, they're building a brand new park right behind me, right on the ocean, but I can't get to it right now. They blocked us up. Hola, how are you? Say hello, amigo. But they're redoing the streets here. If you can see right behind me, check out the dirt. They're putting in brand new streets, brand new brick, brand new tile. But I'm going to walk around these buildings here, and I'm going to show you exactly what the ocean looks like right now. It is absolutely drop dead gorgeous after this whole COVID-19 coronavirus. Fish everywhere. You can actually walk into the ocean and grab fish right out of the ocean. And I'm going to try and show you that right now. But everything is, he's got cigars. He's got marijuana. He's got coke. He's got everything. Total. They've got everything. I can get a massage from anybody. I can do any. They'll sell you anything here. Anything in the Caribbean. So let me walk over here. He's selling jewelry, silver from the Mexican mountains in Mexico. So let me walk over to the ocean here. Let me show you what it looks like, and then let me keep teaching you how to make money online. So one product for $10, 1,000 times a month. You're making a lot of money, $10,000 a month. How about that? Click on the link in the description below, or just send me your name and your mobile number and your email. I'll show you exactly how to sell a $10 product, $10,000. How about a day? How about $10,000 a day? Click the notification bell right down here. The notification bell. Click the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Click the bell. Click all videos. Click that bell right now, amigo or amiga. All right, so now I'm walking down to the ocean right there. There's the Caribbean Sea. If I'm on? Yeah, I'm on. We're going to check it out right now. We got a little soccer player here, football. Little amigo here. Let's see if we can kick some soccer ball. Hey, amigo, kick, come. Football. Let's see if he'll play. I'm gonna try and get him to play with me. Come on, let's go. Mama, kick. Come on, it's okay. See. Oh, what the que pasa? He let the hold on, we gotta get it. He lost his flip-flop. This is what you do in the Caribbean. Have fun with the kids. All right, so here, there's the ball. Where's the ball? There it is. Okay, amigo. Oh! All right, let's go check out the ocean right here. Just drop like my hat. Click the red and white subscribe button, and I'll do the same for you on your YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, why not? Why don't you contact me below? Send me a comment and say, James, set me up on YouTube. I want to make money online. I want to do your business and travel the world and live in the Caribbean and do all the things you're doing. But you need to subscribe. Smash the like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe. Did I say subscribe? It's the red and white button. Do it now. And yeah, living in the Caribbean. So to answer some questions really quick, what I do is I sell the #1 product online. I'm just going to walk over here by the beach. I sell the #1 product online, which is teaching people how to make money online. Let me fix my hat. There we go. And people pay me money to teach them how to do it. Now, if you've ever heard of the Shark Tank, right? All those people that go on the Shark Tank, they offer the sharks their product or service, and they're looking to get funded. And they're looking for the sharks to put up money. Wow, check that out right over the ocean right there. They're looking for the sharks to put up a lot of money, millions of dollars. Well, sometimes only, 25, 30, 100 grand to help them promote their product. And I'm telling you, they're all fools. They're idiots. You don't need to do that. I have the #1 product in the world that I sell every day, and people send me thousands of dollars, sometimes 2, 3, 5, 10 times a day, making $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 per day or more, sometimes more, but I don't want to get too crazy. I just want to teach you how to do one thing, and that's this. Sell the #1 product in the world, which is education. Making money online, making money in whatever business you know how to do. And I brand you, I teach you how to build an online course. I have over 17, 18, 19, 20 courses now that people buy on the internet in 26 English-speaking countries all over the world, and I show you how to make millions of dollars. Then, invest that money into real estate. Are you hanging on? Can you keep up with any of this information? It's so much, but guess what? If you don't learn how to do something different, change your lifestyle. Change the way you're making money. If you're not currently making $10,000 right now per month, you need to send me your information below this video. Smash the like button, keep watching my videos, click the notification bell, subscribe to this channel, and send me your name and mobile number and email. Maybe I'll help you change your life. Beautiful in Mexico, right across the ocean is the island of Cozumel. This is one of the #1 places you can fish and catch fish in the world, in the Caribbean. Now check this out. See each boat right here? We got 3 boats. Let me show you how they make money, and then I'm going to show you how to do that online all over the world, every minute, every hour, every day. All right, so keep up with the program. So there's the 3 boats. There you go, okay? Those 3 boats every morning when the sun comes up, the sunrise comes right out of the ocean here about 6:30 in the morning. There's a bunch of amigos. Amigos are friends, men, and they get on those 3 boats. See those 3 boats? And they go out into this beautiful Caribbean Sea, and they go catch fish every single day, and then they sell the fish to the big restaurants here. Big restaurants, big stores. Now, each boat, they catch about 100 fish a day, 100 fish a day, and they sell each fish for about $1. $1, that's it, not a lot. But what's $1 times 100? That's $100 per boat. That's $100 for that boat, $100 for the second boat, and $100 for the third boat. The point is this: If they do that every single day, that's $100 a day. How many days are in an average 30-day month? 30 days. So what's $100 times 30 days? $3,000 a month. And they make that sometimes a week, but I'm just giving you an idea of how it works. So what if I teach you how to catch on the internet? What if I show you how to catch 100 people a day that will give you even just $1? That's $100 a day times 30 days a month. What's $100 a day times 30 days a month? I just told you. $3,000 a month. What if I just showed you how to do that? And then what if I show you how to do that every week? And then what if I show you how to do that every day? You know, there's an old saying out there, I don't know if you've ever heard it, maybe you've been living under a rock for the last 20, 30 years. Go out and teach somebody how to catch one fish and they can eat one day. Go teach them how to catch fish for the rest of their life and they can feed their family and everybody in the world for the rest of their life. How would you like to learn how to do that? $10,000, $100,000 a month or more. I'll show you how to catch some fish. Caribbean, Mexico. But I was walking down the beach here and I was taking a video like this and I just had a husband and wife stop me and say, hey, what are you doing? I said, I'm making a video for YouTube. And they say, oh my God, that's exactly what we want to do. What are you selling? And I said, I sell my services. I teach people how to set up an online internet business right now and sell any kind of product or service online all over the world in 26 English-speaking countries. And you can do it even in bigger and better, but you don't need to. And they said, wow, that's exactly what we want to do. My wife has this great product, blah, blah, blah. I said, fine. Then we spoke for about 15, 20 minutes, and I said, look, I'm trying to relax right now, but if you want my information, you can contact me tomorrow, and I'll show you exactly what to do, no charge. He said, absolutely. In fact, let's meet live. I said, if you want to meet with me live, then I have to charge you. But I'll send you some videos, and you can download my online course for about $500, and you can watch my videos. He said, no, we want to talk to you live. We want you to show us how to do this live. There you go. I'm walking down the beach in Mexico in the Caribbean. I got a live client, and they're probably going to pay me about $10,000. Want me to show you how to do that? Okay, this man right here, you're going to make sure that you and your wife keep in contact with me, and I'm going to send you some information that'll change your life. But you have to do exactly what I say, okay? And just so you know, especially in Mexico, the military, the police are here. Look right behind me. See them right behind me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are military, and they have machine guns on the beach. I'm walking this way. Let me ask you a question. How much is your bank account paying you monthly right now? Yeah, right, monthly. Not annually, not yearly. Most people say, oh, my bank account's paying me 5% annually. That's a joke. That's called loser. 5%? If you're not making that, yeah, there you go. They know what I'm talking about. If you're not making 5% on your money daily, you don't know what you're talking about. So you need to listen to me. You need to invest your money selling a product online. Listen, I sell one product online and somebody pays me $1,000 for it. I make 100% return on my money. I'm going to say that again. When people pay me $1,000 for my product online, I make 100% return on my money. 100% ROI on my money. Are you interested? Send me your name and your number, your email, your mobile number. I'll show you how to do it for free, no charge. I will show you how to do it. I'm living in the Caribbean, baby.